Hello there. This is a short vlog to invite you, and then I trust you will subscribe to my new channel called Composed Light. Now the purpose of the channel is to upload probably 1 or 2 short vlogs per month showing various locations in around Somerset and Wiltshire predominantly, because that's my home region. But no doubt there'll be more of an eclectic mix of areas from Cornwall, South Wales, definitely Scotland, and this year Northumberland. And I hope to present some photography results I get from these different places. The aim is to show the enthusiasm I have for photography, and from that I trust you'll be able to take something or glean something from it so that you can go out and get at least as much enjoyment as I do from photography. So I'll sign off now and say bye for now, and hope you tune in the future.